Uber for Alex?
Yes, sir.
Dang!
Oh, dude,
what is going on, everybody?
Hey, hi.
Welcome back to a brand new vlog.
I'm so nervous.
Don't be nervous. What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to a brand new video. Cheap Finds Friday is back, and I'm with the boy, David Got Kick.
Yeah! Yeah!
Ooh. RAR XD. We're gonna hit up the Great Mall today. We're gonna find some steals and deals. I hope you guys are ready for the ride. Let's get it and let's go.
My bad, the cops just passed by. I gotta play it cool, you know?
You're not that guy, pal. Trust me. You're not that guy.
Oh, shh.
Your boy's driving with no front plate.
Ooh.
And expired tax.
I love me a bad
And the car's stolen.
expired
And the
tax.
car's stolen.
What? I was literally just watching my boy Paradox, and he just wrapped this BMW right here. This thing is like, oh my gosh. I don't know if it captures it on camera, like how sparkly this looks. But yeah, look at this. This is wild. I don't know if I'm bold enough to be rocking something like this. This is way too much for me, but damn. Damn.
That's brighter than my future, dog.
That's crazy.
This is literally the Barbie mobile, the Barbie dream car right here.
What do you guys think? Comment down below. And real quick, just because the audio might be a little windy, David just upgraded his front grille on his Lexus, and oh my goodness, that looks so much better. He has a before and after on his Instagram, which I'll screenshot and I'll leave on the screen right here. Boom, able to see a huge difference with this grill right here. Did you do this yourself, sir?
Of course I did.
Dude, you did an amazing job. Good job, David.
Only real men work on their cars. Silly.
Okay.
Okay.
So today is June 16th, the day after this whole mask thing was supposed to get removed. So far, I see everybody with the mask on, so looks like we're gonna be rocking the mask for a little bit longer, David. There's a lot of people out though. Today is one of the hotter days of this week. I think tomorrow's supposed to be like 100 degrees, so we're just trying to stay cool, man. But yeah, we're gonna go ahead and check out some stores and let's see what we can find. The infamous wall at Nike. I don't know, guys. This is a hit or miss. I rarely find some stuff in here, but I don't know. I'm feeling like we might find something today. Oh, look at this. I saw this from a mile away.
What are those?
I don't know, but the soles are cool. Don't know what these are, but soles, cool. Yeah, I don't know. Racks be looking a little dry here. These are kind of sick. David, do these look familiar?
Oh my god. Dude, we need to play soccer.
I know. Why don't we play soccer anymore, man?
Because you moved. Golf shoes.
Whoa. What size are those?
Size 8.
Cash me out the links with those. Found some LeBrons real quick. They kind of remind me of the Arnold Palmers back in the day. If you guys remember those. I haven't been keeping up with LeBrons that much. I don't even know what number these are. 18 lows? Very Florida vibey. Ooh, let me hit this ASMR real quick for you guys. Hold up, let me brush it. Wow. All right, here's what's sitting. We got these, I think they're Starfish Air Jordan 4s. The tongue's kind of weird on these ones. And we also have some Legend Blue Air Jordan 11 lows and some freaking Raging Bulls. $140 for the GS pair. I think they only have small sizes. I even think that these used to go for money back in the day, but damn, what is this? $450?
I've never seen those.
I'm getting those for your birthday, David.
I heard they run small, so make sure you size up.
We'll just get this one. What is this, 14? Oh, 13, size 13. Can walk on water with those. All right, let's hit up the next spot. Let's go. Since we're talking about steals and deals, what I like to do is I like to shop off season. So right now during the summer, a lot of the puffer jackets or a lot of the heavier jackets, raincoats and stuff like that are marked down like crazy. Like they're stupid cheap. So I like to buy off season. If you guys are trying to ball on a budget or even just want some nice stuff, off season stuff, definitely check out your outlets, check out your Marshalls, Burlingtons, Rosses, all that good stuff.
When your mom says you have Vans at home,
Yikes.
Dude, not funny. I'm actually gonna buy these.
When your mom says you have Crocs at home, you have Croc chimes for this?
These look like where you put mail through, like the envelopes.
Oh yeah. Whoa, those are sick Air Force.
First, Chief Finds Friday steal of the day. You let me know if it's a steal. Personally, I think it's a steal. We have,
Wait, can I guess the price?
yeah.
Okay.
Honestly, like they're not bad. This is a
Okay,
shoe.
the way that you grab those and you're so excited makes me think that they're stupid cheap.
Not stupid cheap, but they're like it's
Okay.
like a meal. Like, would you rather have this or like a meal?
$5.
Nah, dude.
I was gonna guess $1 at first.
Nah, dude, not that cheap. Come
Okay,
on.
okay. $10. 15.
They're $15. But dude, if that's really good.
I don't know, dude.
Maybe like it's a bright color.
But like, what size is it?
they're 10.
Oh, okay. I thought there was some like weird size. I thought it was like a size 14 or something.
Size 16.
That's not bad.
It's not
$15 shoes. Maybe wear for the whole year. Not bad.
And it comes with 2 sets of laces.
So, are you buying them?
I'm not, but I'll save them for one of you guys.
I look like that uncle that just got out from prison. It really accentuates my ankle monitor.
Dude, why are you messing around wearing like random shoes? Like,
You packed the trail mix? I just got out the pen, dude.
these are the Scoutmaster 16s.
Here.
Wait.
Who wore it better? Who wore it better?
Jeez, dude. Chill.
Yes, sir.
Chill.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Who wore it better?
Oh, shoot.
Let's get a full fit. Full fit. Dang. Dude, they actually look really good on you. I'm gonna buy those for you. Yo, science camp? Science camp? Oh my. Dude. Oh, wait, wow. They're kind of comfy. All right, y'all, I found some stuff for the crib. I got a candle, I got these 2 things, but we still haven't walked through the whole mall yet, and I don't know if I'm gonna find anything better than what I already found right here. So you ever just kind of, you hide the goods real quick. We're in the back section of the store, so I don't think anybody's gonna go through here, but we're just gonna do it like this, all right? So that's pending for us right now. If we come back for it, we come back for it. If not, it's all good, but at least it's chilling right there for now. Will it be there when we come back?
Where'd you leave it? Couldn't even see it.
All right.
I like it, dude.
Does it look real?
It does.
I'm trying to
Except
find a
when
tree
you,
that looks-
except when you. No, dude, it does look real. Who's gonna know?
Oh, this seems kind of unnecessary though, but it looks nice. This one's semi-speaking, but it's not calling my name fully yet.
It's still early. We can still find one.
All right. Wow, David with the good eye. These Crocs are a little different though.
They're called Bia.
Baya.
Yeah.
But look at the side design. I actually like it with the side design. It's cool.
I don't like it with the duck feet right here though.
You know how you could fix that?
No.
You add some nice Croc charms from.
Hypebeastarrest.com.
Oh my gosh.
Whoa.
Shop now. Your boys just cashed out on a couple candles. Super easy, super simple. Candles are nice, man. Are we getting old? We're enjoying this candles. We're talking about stocks. I'm going golfing. Like, your boys are aging a little bit, I feel. We're in Polo right now. If you guys are looking for anything comfy to wear at night, these are it right here. For some reason, the polar bear or the bear looking one, still big comfy.
Oh shoot. What about this?
What are you talking about?
You don't see it?
No.
I'm literally holding a sweater right now.
Can I see?
Yeah.
I don't see anything.
How do you not see it?
I don't see anything,
That's
dude.
pretty dope, dude. Yeah. Sorry, we're just doing a dumb camo joke.
They got some Christmas joints at freaking Finish Line with the fur inside.
I spent 11 and 12.
Just picked up this Atlanta Braves fitted right here. Nice clean green with this gray underbill. I'm gonna be doing a tutorial later on this channel, showing you how to change the underbill up, showing you how to bend the brim and all that good stuff. So this one was more of like a business pickup for a tutorial video, but nonetheless, this is pretty clean. Throws me back to when I used to save my money to buy these things. It would take me about a week and a half of just saving lunch money to buy these freaking hats because they were like 30 bucks back then or 35. Now, this one right here is like 41. Crazy. Right now, and oh, dude, I'm so sorry. I am so sorry. I'm so sorry. Sorry.
Yep.
Everybody, make sure you purchase something from hypebeastrs.com. Make this man go to work. But yeah, we're doing a taco night tonight, so we need to get some meat, we need to get some cheese, and yeah, that's gonna end the Cheap Finds Friday segment. But now we're just gonna be vlogging. Officer Alex reporting. Look at this. Oh, you guys get the point. Oh my goodness, David already got started. Oh man. So I guess we're starting off with the chorizo first. Guys, you want a bite? We still need to do the picnic in the park with the subscribers, David.
Oh yeah, everybody bring a dish.
Yeah, everybody, we're thinking about doing a potluck. Everybody brings a dish to a park near us, and then we'll all hang out and we'll vibe, and it's just like a subscriber kickback. There's probably gonna be like 3 people that come by, but you know,
Including us.
So
But
one
yeah.
of you guys could eat with us.
Yeah.
Huh? How about that? All right, y'all. We got the chorizo quesadillas. Eat on this little balcony, you know. Oh, this looks so good. I just want you to indulge in this with me. Damn, you got some chips and dip too?
Hell yeah.
Are you ready? Oh, dude. That's a nice one. Nice. We're gonna kill all that meat.
Oh yeah, for sure.
Wow. David's turn. Where's your vlog at?
Oh, I forgot I vlog. I forgot I have a YouTube channel. And the
You
channel
do?
I haven't uploaded in 8 months. What? Almost a year.
No! God, please, no! No!
All right, guys. Dinner was amazing, right?
Delicious. I'm still eating.
Super delicious. This was basically what we picked up today besides that hat that I already showed you. I got some eucalyptus mint candles, and I also got this cereal milk candle right here. This one smells crazy. David was the one that told me this one's amazing, so. Oh my God.
That smells good, huh?
I'm gonna light this up, clean up the place, and then we will catch you guys in the next video. Thank you so much for watching this quick episode of Cheap Finds Friday. We will see you guys for the next episode. We're out.
Blueberry, Burberry, button-up. Tan skin, mixed race, buttercup. Canada weather, got a bundle up. I'm tryna work, she hit my phone, she wanna. Whoa.